Hello and welcome to my course. My name is AC Martin. I'm a crypto enthusiast and web developer, and also a digital marketer. Well, in this brief course, I'm going to show us how to connect Forsage smart contract accounts to the Telegram notification bot. So this one is for registered members of Forsage. If you really want to, get notification about your Forsage account, in real-time mode, you need to activate it through Telegram notification bot. So without wasting much time, I will dash straight to the course. So first step, you open up your Trust Wallet, which I've done. This is my Trust Wallet, and when you open up your Trust Wallet, click on Ethereum. So I've listed, for those of you that are new, if you are new to Trust Wallet, once you register, if you register an account with Trust Wallet, all you don't need to do to add crypto, you just click on this plus sign and you search for the crypto you want to add. Let's assume you want to add Ethereum. So if you want to add Ethereum, you see, once you type Ethereum keyword, it will appear there. So once it appears, you choose the Ethereum you want to add. So I've already added it, that's why it's showing blue here. Look at Ethereum Classic. You want to add it, just click on this and it will turn on. Ethereum method. So I don't want to add all these guys, so I have to uncheck them. Okay, for purpose of this training, let me just put Tether USD. So you see, once I close this, you're going to see Tether USD over here. So this is Tether USD. So that's how you can add, a token, wallet or crypto on the Trust Wallet. So just click on Ethereum. Click on Ethereum. What you do next is you copy your Ethereum address. So you see we have send, receive, sending to send, and receive to receive Ethereum. So but now we are not sending or receiving. So we're going to use copy. Click on copy. You click on copy. Then you go straight to Forsage Telegram. So I have the link already opened, so I'll drop the link on the description below of this video. So I'll just go straight to WhatsApp and pick the link. So this is a link. I just click on link. The link will take me to Telegram. But if you don't have Telegram set up already, you can go to browser direct and sign up, or you download in iOS Play Store or Apple Play Store, sorry, or Android Play Store. So that's it. So you just click on it just once or always if you choose to. So automatically to redirect us to Forsage bot notification. So all you need to do is click on start. You go to setting first. Okay, it's already okay. So click on start. Once you click on start, you go to setting. You select the language. So as you select language, you see it's in Russia and English. So you tick English. Please don't forget to do that first before you proceed. Once you click on setting, you see option Russia or English. So we are concerned. Our concern is the English version. So once you click on English, then you now go back. Oh, we've already copied the link. Okay, we've copied the Ethereum link already. So we're now going to open our bot. Then the next step is click account. So when you click on account, you click on add account. So click on add account. So you just paste your account here. Paste your account. Once you paste your account, you click on add account. So you wait a while and it will synchronize. Account, okay, see, address added successfully. So account address have been added successfully. Wow, that is it. Very easy to add. So that is it. Once any transaction is done on this account, on this my Ethereum account that I link to my Forsage, I will get a live notification, just like the way you get an SMS, on your inbox. So that is it for this section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. I remain Martin. God bless you.